for creating this wonderful pencil after a storm. And finally, thanks to all of you for being here today together, standing in the sun after a storm. To perseverance and pencils!
Have you heard of the Lake of the Isles giant pencil sharpening? It takes place once a year in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and this was the 5th consecutive year. The giant pencil sculpture is created from the base of a bur oak tree, which is one of 2 left standing after a severe storm damaged the trees. The giant pencil was carved in 2022, and people have gathered every year since for the sharp.